Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Ever wondered how companies like American Express manage billions of transactions securely while making smart business decisions? What if I told you that there's a high demand role where you can be at the center of this data revolution? So today we are breaking down the analyst data governance and management role at American Express. Who is this job for? What skills do you need? And how you can land this job? So stay tuned to find out. So make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell if you want the latest job updates and tech career insights. So let's understand a little bit about the data governance and management. What is data governance and management? So data governance is all about ensuring that an organization's data is accurate, secure, and compliant with the industry regulations. Companies handle massive amount of data daily, and they need experts to manage, protect, and optimize the data for business success. So data management involves processes like data integration, data quality checks, compliance, and security, all critical for business like American Express, which deals with millions of credit card transactions worldwide. So let's understand a little bit about the roles and responsibility of particular role. So as you can see on this screen, they have mentioned uh, roles and responsibilities of this particular role. Let's break down these roles into some small parts. So your roles would something will be like managing data assets. You'll be handling enterprise level data that influence business decisions, customer risk management, and fraud detection. You will be thinking of yourself as a guardian of high value data. You will also be conducting data governance and compliance. You will be ensuring that all data follows global security and compliance and regulatory standards. This means protecting sensitive customer information while ensuring smooth business operations. And you will be following the data integrity and quality. You will work in data pipelines ensuring that data is not just collected but also cleaned, structured, and made useful for the teams like marketing, finance, and fraud detection. So the tools like SQL, Python, and big data technologies will be the best friends for you. So another skills that is another responsibilities for you would be collaborating with teams and innovations. So this is not just a back-end job. You'll work with cross-functional team, including engineering, finance, and fraud risk team, to develop better data solutions. Plus, you will get the chance to innovate with AI and analytics to optimize business decisions. So let's understand now about the skills required for this role. So as you can see on the screen, they have mentioned the minimum qualification, which is strong analytical and problem-solving skill, uh, along with SQL knowledge of SQL, Python, data, big data knowledge, attention to detail, compliance awareness. Since data security is crucial, so you need to be extremely data oriented. So and other skills that is very important is of course communication and teamwork skill. So because you'll be working with multiple teams, so clear communication is the key, and you must have the ability to work independently. So many projects are self-driven, so you must be proactive and adaptable. So if you are already working in data analytics and IT, this role can be a great transition into the data governance and security focused career. And if you're a fresher, then also you can just try your luck. And if you have the necessary skill set, you might get this wonderful job. So the application link I will be sharing in the description. Do check it out and apply as soon as possible. Based on the industry trend and my research, the analyst and data governance management role for American Express could earn somewhere around 17 to 14 LPA, and depending on the experience and skill sets. So that's it. The skills, the application link that will be shared in description. Now let me tell what do you think about this role and does it match your career goals. Let me know in the comment section below. Join our community of data professionals. I would be sharing our channel link, our WhatsApp and Telegram discussion group as well. If you're serious about landing a top tech job, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more career insights. If you want a free data analytics roadmap, check the link of the description that I would be giving it. So like, share the video with friends who are job hunting in data analytics, AI, and DevOps. Subscribe now. See you in the next video.